Hi, today I'm for the new Samsung Galaxy A20s and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the search bar and enter the green Apple keyword. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap open the app, click enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher and tap twice to OK. Then just go back, tap to switch input methods and switch your keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished, so let's go back to for example to the search to see the new look about the keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is also close at the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.